What if I told you that the lead scoring system that took me from 5,000 to 50,000 monthly revenue cost me less than dinner for two? And most startups are paying thousands for inferior solutions. I'm about to show you exactly how to build this system in the next 8 minutes. And at the end, I'll give you 20 free leads to test it yourself. I'm Tony Koenig, and over the past 18 years, I've helped over 200 plus growth stage startups implement lead scoring systems that have generated over $12 million in additional revenue. I've seen startups waste $50,000 on fancy tools when they could have achieved the same results for under $100. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. But here's what happens if you don't fix this. You'll keep chasing every lead that comes through your door, your sales team will burn out on unqualified prospects, and you'll watch your competitors steal market share while you're stuck converting 2% instead of 25%. The average startup loses $127,000 in the first year alone due to poor lead qualification. Don't be that statistic. First, let's understand what lead scoring actually is. Think of it as a GPS for your sales team. Instead of driving around randomly hoping to find customers, you're getting turn-by-turn directions to your highest value prospects. Here's the framework. Every lead gets scored on two dimensions, fit and interest. Fit is, can they buy? Interest is, will they buy? Most startups only look at one. Your ideal customer profile should score 100 points. Break it down: company size, 20 points, industry match, 20 points, budget authority, 20 points, geographic location, 10 points, technology stack, 10 points, pain point alignment, 20 points. That's your fit score. Now for interest, this is where the magic happens. You're tracking behavioral signals, high intent actions, 20 to 30 points each. Pricing page visits, demo requests, case study downloads, email replies, medium intent actions, 10 to 15 points each. Blog engagement, social media follows, email opens, webinar attendance, low intent actions, 5 points each. Website visits, content downloads, newsletter signups. Here's the secret: add time decay. If someone hasn't engaged in 30 days, start reducing their score by 10% weekly. Fresh engagement is everything. Here's how to build this without breaking the bank. Tool number 1, Google Sheets or Airtable $0 to $10 per month. 1. Create your scoring matrix. 2. Track lead sources. 3. Calculate composite scores. Tool 2. Zapier, $20 per month. 1. Connect your website to your scoring system. 2. Automate point assignments. 3. Trigger alerts for hot leads. Tool number 3. Simple CRM like Pipedrive. $15 per month. 1. Manage your pipeline. 1. 2. Track conversion rates. 3. Generate reports. Tool number 4. Email tracking like MailTrack $0 to $10 per month. 1. Monitor email engagement. 2. Score email responses. 3. Track link clicks. Total monthly cost $45 to $55. Compare this to enterprise solutions costing $500 to $2,000 monthly. Same results, fraction of the cost. Here's your 30-minute implementation plan. Step 1. Define your ICP. 1. List your best 10 customers. 2. Identify common characteristics. 3. Assign point values. Step 2. Set up behavioral tracking. 1. Install tracking pixels. 2. Create Zapier workflows. 3. Test the system. Step 3. Create your scoring thresholds. 1. 80 to 100 points. Hot leads, immediate sales contact. 2. 60 to 79 points. Warm leads, nurture sequence. 3. 40 to 59 points. Cold leads, marketing automation. 4. Below 40, disqualify or retarget. The key is starting simple and iterating. You don't need perfection, you need progress. Here's what happens when you implement this correctly. Week 1 to 2, you'll identify your highest value leads. Week 3 to 4, your conversion rates will start improving. Month 2, you'll see 50 to 100% improvement in close rates. Month 3, your sales team will thank you for the qualified pipeline Track these metrics. 1. Lead to opportunity conversion rate. 2. Sales cycle length. 3. Average deal size. 4. Sales team productivity. Optimize monthly based on what's working. Look, I could have kept this system secret and continued charging $5,000 for implementation, but I believe every startup deserves to compete with the big guys. If you want to test this system risk-free, I'm offering the first 20 leads scored completely free using our proprietary algorithm. No credit card required, no strings attached. Just click the link in the description and get your first 20 leads scored in the next 24 hours. And if you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button, because next week I'm revealing the 3 psychological triggers that make prospects 10 times more likely to buy. You won't want to miss it. What's your biggest challenge with lead qualification? Drop it in the comments below and I'll personally respond to every single one. Let's build something amazing together. Keep on scaling.